Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Thursday, December 16th, 2:33 p.m. New York time. The financial services. Start off first looking at the asset management. Because yesterday the Federal Reserve made a determination to leave the interest rates alone. Let's see how the consolidations or trends are occurring in these. It's very important. First, look at BlackRock, BLK. Red candle for a week. Yep, it's in acceleration phase. That's interesting. Not much of a movement above or below. So it's above $900. So much closer to the high of the year than below. Bravo Alpha Mike, higher high, higher low, trending up. Still in a acceleration phase here also. Bank of New York Mellon. Oh, that's trending. Higher high, higher low. Yep. Looks like it's on target. Take out or retest the high. And Blackstone. Oof. Lower low, lower high, all red, broke below $125. Look at these candles were small, going up to the upside, showing weakness. And these are big, wide red candles trading down. Distribution, smart money has been selling. T. Rowe Price, lower low, lower high. Also took out the swing low. Again, the weekly candle's not done yet. It's Thursday. But again, this is interesting. Lower low, lower high, took out that swing. Even though it's above it right now, that's concerning. Very concerning. State Street Corporation, STT. Consolidation here, breakdown, another consolidation, building a staircase pattern, lower low. So again, all these are part of the asset management. And notice, yep, most of them are red candles for the week. On to the next. Financial banks diversified. JP Morgan, green for the week, but again made a lower high, lower low. This is where buyers stepped in before demand zone. We'll see what happens because currently it's inside that body, small trading range. You can even see this building consolidation, lower low. Consolidation. Not done yet, but I'll label like that. There we go. So the financials are still struggling, trending down. Bank of America, also huge consolidation range. Even though it's green, not a impressive move to the upside. HCBC, higher high, and higher low. The big trading range, still below $30 and way below the high. Excuse me. So this is the high of the year. Wow, far away from that. Wells Fargo. Yep, this may be distribution. So we had this high here, retracement, back down, impulse move down, consolidation, made a higher high, then sold off. Excuse me again. I apologize. Yep. So that could be interpreted as more distribution, meaning smart money is unloading it, selling it, not necessarily buying into it. Could be an opportunity for a short. We'll see what happens. And Citigroup, oof, look at that, almost near record low of the year. Here's the low of the year. Here's the high of the year. It's trending down. It's bearish. Not looking good. And Royal Bank of Canada, also Here's the high. Huge consolidation over a good portion of the year. That's not trending. Let's go to the next. And those were the banks diversified. Now we're going to go to banks regional. Uniform Sierra Bravo. Yep. Tight consolidation. A lot of red. Not impressed. HDB. Trending down. All-time low for the year right now. Look at that. Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Also, the trend is down. Lower low, lower high. PNC. It's a tight consolidation phase there off the highs. So it's holding that $200. India Bravo November. Also, it's a consolidation here. Yep, couldn't even take out the high yet. Inside candle. First Republic of San Francisco. FRC. Yep, lower low, lower high, trending down. Those are the financial banks. Not looking impressed. Nope. On to the next. Financial capital. Morgan Stanley. Look at this huge consolidation over several weeks. Not impressed. Charles Schwab, all-time new high for the year. Outstanding. That is good. Consolidation, breakout to the upside consolidation. Much more impressive with these financial capitals, this one. And Goldman Sachs also, look at this. Massive consolidation over here. Bank of Nova Scotia, all-time new high. That's good. That's trending. That's good. India, Bravo, Kilo, Romeo, Interactive Broker, all-time new high for the year. And then rejected it and back down here. Raymond James Financial. Yep, just big consolidation around that $100. But it's good. Some of them are outstanding. Look at that. Charles Schwab, BNC, Interact Broker, all-time new highs. Better than some of the other financial sectors I just saw, or industries. Let's go on to the next. We'll look at the capital markets now, financial capital markets. Hope we already did that one. Oops. Number 5. Financial credit services. Again, all these are part of the financial service sector, but we're looking at industries within the financial service sector. So there's 8 industries, and we're looking at the 5th industry right now, again, which is credit services. Visa. Here's the high for the year. Yep. Much closer to the lows of the year. Not impressive. Nope. They are struggling. MasterCard. Same thing. Mike Alpha. Not impressed. PayPal. Oof. Look at this. The lows of the year, the high for the year. They're struggling. Under $200 for the past 4 weeks. Just huge consolidation. Struggling. And just to note, PayPal, 2 United senators, one in the Democrat Party, one in the Republican Party, in November, both sold huge positions in PayPal last month, the beginning and the middle of the last month. It's public information. All the transactions, all the Congress members do is public record. Shows the date they do it and the price range, even if they're doing bonds. Yep. So they were selling here. They were selling late. They were selling late. Yep. American Express, also not impressed. Nope. Capital One, oof, struggling. So these are all struggling. Discover credit card, Discover Financial, look at that, way off the highs. So even the financial credit services are not looking good. Go on to the financial insurances. I think the insurances might be doing better. Yeah. AIG. Well, that's not impressive. Nope. Look at that, higher high, but also took out the low. So it's an acceleration range, tight trading range too the past 2 weeks. And Sun Life Assurance, tight consolidation range under the 55. Staircase pattern, lower low. Okay. Hotel India Golf, also here in acceleration phase. Papa Foxtrot Golf, oof, almost near the high again. That's good. Look at these. That's been trending up. Golf Sierra Hotel Delta, no, huge consolidation. And Alpha November, Alpha Tango, not impressed. Okay, so the insurance diversified industry, I'm not impressed with. Let's go to the next type of insurance. That's the life insurance. MET, Net Life. Yep. Oof. So that was the high for the year. Went up to try to take it out, filled. So you have lower highs and then lows, low there, low there. We took out that low. I'm not impressed with this, not good. Mike, Foxtrot, Charlie, 2 weeks in a row, inside candles. That's bearish, way below the high, trending down. Not good. Papa, Romeo, Uniform, Prudential. Yep, not impressive, nope. Alpha, Foxtrot, Lima. Oof, look at that, all-time new high, broke out as consolidation. But most of it's been consolidation for the year, not impressed. Lima, November, Charlie, also struggling down there. Papa, Romeo, India. Huge impulse moves down, that's bearish. So those are the financial services. And we'll go to the last industry, the mortgage financials. That should be interesting what we're going to see on those. Who is rolling over? Yep, that's a clue. Okay, Rocket, RKT. This went IPO last year. Not impressed with it. They hyped it up a lot, and look at that. Let's go back all the way. So there's the IPO there, and we're trading below the IPO when the stock got listed. That's not good. So many people were hyping this stock up last year, early this year, and it filled. Yep, just a news story. It is failure. Uniform Whiskey Mike Charlie, also near record lows, not impressive. Papa Foxtrot Sierra India, yep, is just retesting the supply zone where sellers were before 170. That's not impressive. Whiskey Delta, huge consolidation. Also, those big red candles have big trading ranges, more selling than buying up there. Hotel Tango Golf Charlie trending down, bearish. Already broke this key demand zone. Buyers were here, broke below there, not good. Expect that to go lower. And Tango Romeo Echo Echo Tree, lending tree, long time company. And look at that, near record lows of the year. That's not good. Let's put this back a little bit longer. Yeah, near record lows, not good. Let's go back even on monthly just to get. There we go. Oof. Yep. So now it's already back inside here. Is the 2016 levels, and we're already back in there. That's not good. Not good. So the takeaway is a lot of the financials are not looking good. They are struggling. Yep, not good. Even many of the industries within them